So lettuce is one of the most important crops I grow. Grow it year round, and at different times of the years there's different struggles with it, and certainly in the summer the struggle is heat. So we just came off of a heat wave. It was well over 90 degrees every day. The heat alarm on our iGrow system was going off in here all day, and that's set at 95 degrees, so it was really, really hot. And one way I've combated that, lettuce bolting, not getting big enough, and all the problems you get from heat was putting things inside, having it well ventilated with big fans, exhaust fans, and putting really good shade cloth that has at least 50% on top. And it's been incredibly successful. The lettuce heads look amazing. The color is fantastic. The size, you can see these, the Salanova head, the oak leaf type. They're as big as dinner plates, and these guys went through the heat wave no problem. They're not bolted. They're sweet. I can't say enough good things about them. It's we're actually going to be able to shrink the farm a lot just because of not having to overproduce lettuce so much.